quick, come here, hurry up, hurry up. I had a letter this week saying Art Attack isn't long enough, can't fit enough in, so can I speak faster? I can't keep this up, so we won't waste any more time. This is what's coming up. There's a cool way of printing pictures using string. And I get creative. And this is an unusual material to make an Art Attack out of. Krupa's coiled up string on different coloured discs reminds me of Catherine wheels on firework night. Yeah, nice string picture from Krupa. When it comes to art and craft materials, you know, string is versatile. You can actually use it in a picture, or you can use it to make a picture with. In fact, you can do both. I'll show you what I mean. Start by designing your picture. First, cut a piece of A4 paper in half, and you'll see why in a minute, and then draw a very simple picture onto one of the pieces. Now, this is going to be a cartoon fish with big eyes. So here we go. Nice, simple image. And here's the tail. And little bits of detail, not too much, on the tail. Has some nice big eyes there. Just keep it really simple. And a little cartoon mouth, like that. Maybe a fin at the bottom. And some bubbles at the top. Like that. And when you're happy with your design, turn it into a string picture. Use a thin brush and paste some PVA glue onto one of the lines. Just carefully follow the lines around. And then lay on a length of string. Again, just carefully follow the line, laying it into the glue. And go over all the lines you're drawing in the same way. Then leave it to dry. Now, it looks quite good like this, but if you want, you could take it one step further. Take a kitchen roll tube, run a line of glue along it, and then carefully lay on your string picture. And the idea is to wrap it around, and it should be about the right size. You could always trim it if it's not. Then glue the other end of the paper in place, and your string picture has now been turned into a roller printer. Next, lightly turn your roller printer in some paint, making sure that all the string is covered. But don't make the paint too thick. Then position it on a clean sheet of paper and slowly roll the tube, taking care not to smudge the paint. And look at that. There's your print. And the good thing about this is you can do as many prints as you like. And there you have a roller print of your fish. Good, isn't it? And you can make lots of different string print designs. Look at this lot. I've printed one colour directly on top of the other, and on this one I actually painted the paint onto the string with a brush using two colours. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!